You're watching Slipping Clutch, mother. You got a DeWalt battery that won't take charge? Watch this. So, I'm gonna unplug it. Jesus Christ. Alright, plug her on in. It wants to, but it says no. So I've got this old battery charger here. I just got some wires made up. I didn't have no black, so I used yellow for the ground, red for the hot. Right here, on top of the battery, plus, minus, hot, negative, hot to hot, negative to negative. Stand by. All right, I'm just gonna put the timer on hold, and then I'm gonna crank her up. 4 amps, 12 volts. Just for starters. Then, already making progress. We're gonna come and check back on it here in just a minute. This thing is real dead. Somebody let it go. It's been sitting on 4 amp, 12 volt for a while. Figured I would at least got 2 bars by now. So now, I don't care. Really don't care at this point. Let her eat, baby. All right, kind of getting nervous. It's been about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna turn it off. And then, at least give me 2, baby. Yeah. She should take charge now. Let's go see. All right, let's push her down. It's kind of a two-handed operation. So, hold on. Now, I'm good. Press it down. Look at that. She took charge. So, I saved myself $100, $150, however much they cost. So, good tech tip for y'all to have. Oh, and when I do stupid stuff like that, what you just seen, I'm not telling you to do that. You do that at your own risk. I am not taking any responsibility for any idiots getting hurt. So, am I an idiot? Yeah. Did I get hurt? No. Does that mean you're not going to get hurt? No. Do it at your own freaking risk. Do not try this at home. Take that with a grain of salt.